students, welcome back again to the CS classes. Last time we discussed the topic that is the Boolean logic. Today we discuss the basic logic gate. So the first basic logic gate is the AND gate. And to denote the AND gate, there is a notation, a symbol just like the D symbol. And AND gate is the Boolean. AND gate is the Boolean gate. Boolean gate means it contains at least two inputs. So if we pass these two inputs, and we will get a single output. So if we consider these two inputs are A and B, so finally we get the output that is A dot B. So dot is represent the AND gate operation. Now what will be the output? So to calculate the output, there is a truth table. Truth table is the table that will show all the possible input as well as the output. So if we have two inputs and these two inputs are of the Boolean part, so it contains only two values, that is either 0 or 1. So the truth table contains two parts. First one is the input, second one is the output. We have two inputs A and B. And finally we have the output that is F equal to A dot B. Now what are the possible values of the input? Maybe both values are 0. First value is 0, second is 1. First one is 1, second is 0, and the both values are 1. Now what the AND gate say? AND gate say that if both the inputs are high, only that we get the high output. Means when both values are 1, only then we get 1, otherwise we will get 0. Where 1 is considered as high and 0 is considered as a low. So in all three cases we will get the 0 output because one of the value is 0. In the last case, both values are 1, so we'll get the output 1. So that is the AND gate. Second gate is the OR gate. OR gate, as the name suggests, OR means choice. So if we, so the working of the OR gate is, if one of the input is high, then we get the high output. जैसा कि एग्जामिनेशन में होता है, चॉइस मिलती है, चॉइस में दो क्वेश्चन है, कोई एक भी अटेम्प्ट कर लोगे तो फुल मार्क्स मिलेंगे, अगर दोनों अटेम्प्ट कर लोगे तो भी फुल मार्क्स मिलेंगे क्योंकि दोनों में से कोई ना कोई एक सही होगा. लेकिन जब दोनों में से कोई भी अटेम्प्ट नहीं करोगे उस केस में आपको कोई मार्क्स अलॉट नहीं होंगे. सिमिलरली इन द केस ऑफ OR गेट there is a symbol that is plus. Plus represent the OR gate functionality. So if one of the input is high, then we will get the high. If both the input is low or 0, so we get the 0 output. Resembling or diagram of the OR gate is an arrow sign, that is a curve arrow, and we have two inputs. First one is A and B, and finally we get the output F equal to A plus B, and the output will be on the basis of that truth table. So it say when one of value or both of value is 1, then the output is 1, otherwise output is 0. So first gate is the AND gate, second is the OR gate. Now come to the third and the last basic logic gate. Third gate is the NOT gate, and NOT gate is a unary gate. Unary means it will work over the single input and will provide a single output. So the diagrammatic representation of the NOT gate is a triangle with a node sign. So we will pass a single input and finally we get a single output, that is A complement. Now what is the working of NOT gate? NOT gate will work if the input is 1 and output is 0. And if input is 0, then output is 1. It means that it will calculate the inverse value of the input. So the truth table, that is your input, output, input is A, finally output is A complement, possible values of A 0 or 1, then the output is 1 or 0. So that is the working of the NOT gate. After that, in the next class we will discuss some more gates, that is the universal gate or the XOR gate. Thank you.